England vs Switzerland highlights. Three Lions advanced to semis on PKs. In a thrilling and tension-filled match that captured the hearts of football fans around the world, England emerged victorious over Switzerland in a gripping penalty shootout to advance to the semi-finals of the prestigious tournament. The clash between these two European powerhouses left spectators on the edge of their seats, as both teams displayed resilience, skill, and determination throughout the 90 minutes and extra time. The match kicked off with both teams showcasing their attacking prowess, looking to gain an early advantage. Switzerland, known for their disciplined defense and quick counterattacks, pressed forward with intent, putting the English defense under significant pressure. However, England, led by their talismanic captain, showed composure and quality in possession as they sought to break down the resolute Swiss defense. As the first half progressed, both teams had their fair share of chances, with the game swinging from end to end. England's dynamic attacking trio of Raheem Sterling, Harry Kane, and Jadon Sancho combined effectively to create openings, while Switzerland's Xherdan Shaqiri and Granit Xhaka tested the English defense with their incisive passing and shooting from distance. The deadlock was finally broken in the second half when a moment of brilliance from Raheem Sterling saw him dribble past two Swiss defenders before unleashing a powerful shot into the top corner of the net, leaving the Swiss goalkeeper with no chance. The stadium erupted in joy as England took the lead, but Switzerland refused to back down and mounted a spirited comeback. With time running out, Switzerland's persistence paid off as they were awarded a penalty following a controversial handball decision against the English defense. Ricardo Rodriguez stepped up to take the spot kick and coolly converted to level the scores, sending the match into extra time. The additional 30 minutes failed to separate the two sides as both teams fought valiantly to find a winning goal. England's goalkeeper made several crucial saves to keep Switzerland at bay, while the Three Lions came close to scoring through set pieces and counterattacks. With the scoreline deadlocked at 1-1, the match headed to a nerve-wracking penalty shootout to determine the victor. The tension in the stadium was palpable as the shootout got underway, with both teams converting their first few penalties with precision and confidence. However, the momentum shifted in favor of England as their goalkeeper made a crucial save, giving the Three Lions the advantage. With each successful penalty, England inched closer to victory, while Switzerland faced an uphill battle to stay in the game. As the shootout reached its climax, it was England's young prodigy Bukayo Saka who stepped up to take the decisive spot kick. With the weight of the nation on his shoulders, the teenager remained composed and slotted the ball into the bottom corner, sparking jubilant celebrations among the England players and fans alike. The final whistle blew, signaling England's triumph and their progression to the semi-finals of the tournament. The match will be remembered as a showcase of resilience, determination, and sheer talent, with both teams leaving everything on the pitch in pursuit of victory. England's victory over Switzerland on penalties will go down in history as a testament to their character and strength under pressure, as they now look ahead to the semi-finals with optimism and confidence. As the final whistle echoed around the stadium and the cheers of the England faithful filled the air, it was clear that the Three Lions had overcome a formidable challenge and proven themselves worthy of contention for the ultimate prize. With their eyes set on the trophy, England will now prepare to face their next opponent in the semi-finals, knowing that they have what it takes to go all the way and etch their names in footballing folklore.